Hi, my name is Tina Dale, and I'm a member of the Fairfax County Health Department team. COVID-19 vaccination is now available for children ages 5 to 11. Here is what you need to do in order to get your child vaccinated. You can look for an appointment near you at your pharmacy, grocery store, health clinic, or even your doctor's office by going to www.vaccines.gov or www.vacunas.gov for Spanish speakers. Most places do require an appointment, so it is important that you make one. Vaccination is free and you do not need insurance. If you need help, call us. You can reach us at 703-324-7404. Our call takers speak many languages and they can help you. It's very important to have your child vaccinated as it will protect them from getting seriously sick from coronavirus. Thank you for contributing to the health of our community.